This is Puppy Police behind the scenes. We're gonna see my puppies Prine and Lucy play fetch. There goes Lucy. Go, Lucy.
Come on, girl.
Don't let Prine get it.
Come on, girl. Come on, Lucy.
Let's go in for a closer look. Hey, Prine.
Sit.
Oh.
Sit.
Hey, Lucy.
Prine, sit.
Oh, go, Lucy, go. Get that ball. Good job. Go, Lucy. Oh, Prine's catching up. Mama, shush. Go, guys, go. Prine, where's your ball? Now it's obedience training time.
Good boy.
Tell them to sit.
Ready? Sit. Sit. Prine. Sit. Good boy. Ready?
Good job. Go get it. Good job, Prine. Good job, Lucy.
Come here. Lucy, come here. Lucy, come here. Lucy, come here.
Good job, guys. Prine, where are you bringing yours? Give it to me. Can I have your ball? Okay, here we go. She's limping. Prine, go, Prine, go. Don't start, don't dig. They're thirsty pups. You're so tired. Oh, need more water. You're so funny. So this is Lucy in our Puppy Police videos. She is known as the Puppy Police. She is my 8-year-old blue heeler, purebred. If you don't know what a blue heeler is, Australian cattle dog. And this is my 24-week-old Aussie little puppy, Prine. John Prine, to be exact, named after the famous country singer John Prine. Dude. Go follow your sister. They are siblings. They're best friends too. If you watched our past 5 Puppy Police videos, oh my gosh, okay, as I was saying, if you watched our past 5 Puppy Police videos, you would have known Lucy and Prine already, but you wouldn't known their actual names. Prine's the puppy prisoner and Lucy's the Puppy Police, yeah. And about the puppy dentist, I'm still trying to figure out how to get them to cooperate in it. So it's not really done yet, but it's getting started. Bye. Happy spring break. If you're not watching this in spring break, it's okay. But right now, here where I live, it's time. It's like, spring break. So happy spring. Oh, and by the way, I am Piper Pearson. I'm the creator of Puppy Police. And you can go on YouTube and search Puppy Police #1. It's not the number, it's just Puppy Police -1. And you can click on that, click on my mom's channel and subscribe. And then and from there you get to see all our new videos, all our old videos. Ta-da. I don't know. Okay. Ta-da. The end of the Puppy Police behind the scenes. And stay tuned for our new Puppy Polices and our new series, The Puppy Dentist. Bye-bye.